feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Dialing ST3001-12345 on your iPhone opens field test mode, showing detailed signal strength and network info instantly. While it doesn't fix SIM or network issues by itself, this quick diagnostic tool helps you understand your connection better. For actual problems, try restarting your phone or resetting network settings. These steps usually work best. Secret codes are useful for info, but not magic fixes.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.